Have you ever wondered how professional chefs cut an onion so perfectly? Today, I'm going to reveal all the secrets and show you 6 different ways to cut an onion, while also helping you learn some useful English. Let's get started and turn this simple vegetable into a masterpiece. Hello, foodie friends. I'm Chef Linguist. Welcome to Tasty English Lessons. Today, I have an interesting lesson for you. In this video, we'll learn how to cut an onion in several different ways. At the same time, we'll take the opportunity to learn some useful English words and phrases. Let's get started. First, we peel the onion. Dicing the onion. Now, let's dice the onion. To do this, we cut the onion in half. After making horizontal and vertical cuts, we dice the onion. Julienne the onion. Now let's julienne the onion. We cut the onion lengthwise to make thin, long strips. Slicing the onion into rings. Now let's slice the onion into rings. We cut the onion crosswise to get onion rings. Mincing the onion. Now let's mince the onion. This is for when you need very small pieces of onion, like for sauces and soups. Grating the onion. Next, let's grate the onion. This is usually for when you need grated onion, like in ground meat for kebabs or meatballs. Chopping the onion. And finally, let's chop the onion. This method involves cutting the onion into uneven pieces, which is good for simple, everyday cooking. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our new videos and improve your English skills. Let's explore interesting English vocabulary and expressions. Reveal. To make something known that was previously hidden or secret. Example: the magician revealed his secret trick at the end of the show. Horizontal. Parallel to the ground or the horizon, not vertical. Example: draw a horizontal line across the paper. Vertical. Perpendicular to the ground or horizon, upright. Example: the tree grew straight and vertical. Uneven. Not level, smooth, or consistent. Example: the path was rocky and uneven. Opportunity. A set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Example: this internship is a great opportunity to gain experience. Masterpiece. A work of outstanding artistry, skill, or workmanship. Example: the painting was considered a masterpiece. Several. More than 2 but not many. Example: we have several options to choose from. Peel. To remove the outer covering or skin from a fruit or vegetable. Example: peel the apple before eating it. Delicious. Highly pleasant to taste, very enjoyable. Example: the cake was absolutely delicious. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Feel free to choose any of them and answer in the comments. What is the main topic of the video presented by Chef Linguist? What kind of cut is used to make onion rings? Why would you mince an onion according to the video? Now we've learned the various ways to cut an onion: dice, julienne, slice into rings, mince, grate, and chop. I hope this lesson was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. See you in the next video.